Hello friends, this is Hip, the founder and art director of Circle Painting. I'm excited to let you know for the first time my masterclasses are online. Please watch the video and learn more about it.
If you or your team need a creative outlet, look no further. Circle Painting is a world leader in training teachers, social workers, and workshop facilitators who want to promote teamwork through collaborative art projects. Circle Painting engages people of all ages to create vibrant paintings based on the circle theme. The circle is a universal symbol that symbolizes wholeness, enlightenment, and the universe in all cultures. To us, it means connect, create, and celebrate. You don't have to be an artist to lead Circle Painting. Our workshop is a day of bonding, playfulness, and healing. Trust us to give you useful tools so you can inspire your team, attract more clients, beautify your setting, and gain the recognition you deserve. Please visit circlepainting.org and sign up today.